Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show Christmas Spectacular 2025, which means videos every day at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time until Christmas Day. All right, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, today on the Christmas Spectacular, we have Fireball Fudge. As you can see here, I kind of have a makeshift double broiler. If you have a double broiler, feel free to use that. I have a Pyrex bowl over a pot with about 2 inches or 1.5 inches of water in it over about a medium-low heat. And we're just going to start melting up our chocolate, which consists of 3.5 cups of milk chocolate chips. Okay, now to add the other ingredients, we have a teaspoon of vanilla extract. As you can see, the chocolate is starting to melt. And then we're going to add 1 shot of Fireball whiskey, if I can ever get to it. There we go. And if you're worried about the alcohol, if this is for kids, alcohol cooks out at about 135. So this heat should be sufficient to cook out the booze. Then you also want to add 8 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. And it's spread over a ton of chocolate, but if you don't truly trust it, then just make this fudge adults only. Or omit the whiskey. But I think it added a nice, great flavor to it. And then, like I said, you just want to keep stirring this till everything is all melted. Should take about 10 minutes. It took me about 15. I may have started a little cold, but whatever. Same thing at the end of the day. Okay, then in an 8x8 or 9x9 pan, whatever you happen to have, you want to pour our fudge batter, I guess you'd call it, melted chocolate. And then you want to smooth this out, get it as even as possible. And you want to place this in the fridge for at least 3 hours. This is kind of a good recipe for kids because there's not a lot of heat involved. Good way to get them involved. Anyway, in the fridge, 3 hours. And after 3 hours, you're looking at something like that. Cut it up into little bite-sized pieces. Bring it out when you're having your get-together. Or keep it in the fridge. Keeps for a little bit. All right. That's Fireball Fudge. Done.